Hi, I'm Dr. Vinita Tiwari from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. My project title is Part-Time Employability for College Students, Skilled Workmen and Others. I took my idea from abroad where students, especially college students, do part-time jobs and bear their expenses irrespective of their parents' status. Even international students who go abroad for higher studies do part time jobs and bear living expenses. But in India, where unemployment is the major issue, but no such culture is prevalent here, perhaps due to mindset of people. I run an NGO and I see around me a number of youngsters after their graduation and post graduation sitting idle at home waiting for an employment to knock at their door, are dependent on their parents after the age of 28 and 30. It always hurt me, and my idea may not help them permanently, but it may definitely instill in them self reliance, self confidence. Earning is an addiction, and I want all of them to be addicted to do at least something. There are always these three solutions to every problem: accept it, change it, or leave it. If you can't accept it, then change it. If you can't change it, then leave it. So I decided to change it. My idea will be a societal revolution in India for especially for students. I in my lean canvas I described the problems and solution. It will be a vertex point for students and employers, for skilled workmen and employers, and it may also help household women too. This project will not need a huge capital investment. A revenue side, we may get per hire brokerage, registration fee, and other revenue generation from website advertisements, etc. Uh, for validation of my idea, I went through online surveys, personal interviews, and personal chatting of students, employers, and others, and got more than 75% of positive responses. That shows that I may go with this idea, and I would love to go with this.